Ladies and gentlemen, today is 26th December 2023. This is Afikpo Unity Walk 2023 edition. The walk actually started in 2018. It was established as a non-aligned movement that will integrate and unite the entire Afikpo people. Whether you are a clergy, whether you are a contractor, a businessman, a teacher, or a community leader, you must join. This is a platform that has been fostering unity among the people of Afikpo Amakejale. My people, we've gone round. We started in Ndibe Beach, went round the Afikpo metropolis and terminated back at Ndibe Beach. Right now, we are entering phase 2 of the ceremony, where contemporary issues about Afikpo people will be raised. People will ask questions and answers will be given. Join me as we enter the phase 2 of the program. Thank you so much.
Dances is allowed. Now only a good boy they see the dance. How they can I now MC, how you take this? What I say? Hey, say.